kept getting woken up by this massive pack of coyotes. They were running in the woods around the tent. I first heard them over here on the left, and it was so many dogs, it sounded like a dog mushing kennel. But I kept the fire going all night, and as far as I know, they never came into camp, never bothered anything. But keeping the fire going all night burned up my entire pile of wood, so I needed to cut some more wood. I think it's time to make some breakfast. Smearing some melted butter all over my bread. Got a little bit